Hey guys, my name is Shahel Khan and I am an AI research scientist here at CodeWords, and we've been working on something really exciting. We now support WhatsApp automations, and that means two things. You can now consume CodeWords workflows through your WhatsApp, so you can trigger them through your WhatsApp, receive notifications back into your WhatsApp. Secondly, you can build automations within WhatsApp. So you can have automations that interact with group chats, send messages, send images, sets up polls, automations that can analyze data, chat data. And so today I want to demo a very interesting use case, especially for those group chat admins. So what we want to build is a workflow that allows me to run sentiment analysis within a group chat. So I'm going to come into CodeWords and I'm going to prompt Cody, create me a WhatsApp automation that runs group sentiment analysis on the group chat triggered by the word analyze. I'm going to click enter, and now Cody is going to plan, architect, build, and deploy this workflow for me. Now, here's an example of this exact prompt that I've run before. And you can see Cody has deployed this workflow. And what I'm going to do is go through the setup. So I need to run this workflow to connect my number to the WhatsApp automation. So I'm going to put my number in and I'm going to click run. Now, this should register my number against this workflow. Amazing. So it has successfully registered my number. And in the instructions, it's telling me that I need to add the bot to my WhatsApp group, mention CodeWords, and then trigger the workflow. So I'm going to go into WhatsApp, and then I'm going to add CodeWords WhatsApp assistant here. And I'm going to wait for a confirmation message telling me that it has successfully linked. So this should take a few seconds. Amazing. So we've received a confirmation message saying workflow successfully linked. Now let's trigger this workflow. I'll type in the word analyze, and now this should trigger the workflow, and let's see what we get in response. We can also go into the triggers page, and we should see that it should have set the trigger. So we can see WhatsApp Group Analyzer is an active trigger on my triggers page. Amazing. So I've gotten a response. So weekly group health report with the date. Group overview, there are 3 members, 2 active members, a total of 39 messages. I've sent 38, Hassan has only sent 1, and it goes through a sentiment analysis. Now, let's say you as a user are not happy with this output. What you can do is simply go back into the chat and ask Cody, change their output format, and then specify the format that you'd like. And Cody will make that update your workflow, and then you can test and then iterate. So this is how you can very simply, with just a simple prompt, build a WhatsApp automation that does group sentiment analysis.